Hello ladies and gents, in today's video I'm showing you a tutorial on how to make an easy setup for permissions. Instead of going individual by channel, there is a way to actually put it under a category and have it all set to when you make a new channel, it automatically applies those positions. It's with a sync with the category, so to do this I'm just gonna, let's just make a new one. Create a server. YouTube stuff. Just gonna name it that, and then create it. Okay, cool. Just gonna ignore that. So to do this, obviously, you need a category. So let's say make 2 here. Chat. Let's say this is the chat, right? And then welcome. Boom. And then we'll have memes. Create that. Okay, so we got 3 channels there, and then we'll have AFK. Boom. Put it caps, my personal opinion. Put that there. Channel lobby, and then maybe clan. Boom. Great. Okay, so as you can tell in the server that I run, I have multiple channels with different categories and stuff like that. What I did was set the majority. So let's say the majority is just promotions where you can view stuff. I've had set up to where it's just has that permissions, and then I can go back and adjust it through with adjusting one permission for lobby chat and stuff and whatnot. So to do this, you're gonna go to the text channel, or not the text channel, but whatever channel you're adjusting, whether it's text or the category, whatever you want to call it. Right click it, and you want to go to edit category and permissions. So this is basically, oh wait, we didn't make permissions. You're gonna need permissions for this to work. So let me do that real quick. Make sure everything's like that. That has the admin thing, so we don't need to do that. So once the roles are set up, under settings, server settings, and roles, you can exit out this part and then go back to where we were before, which is edit category and permissions. And then you want to add all the rules that you just made. So for admin, obviously, what you can do is boom, 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 boom. It's your server. You can edit to the maximum, so admins get all the power. You usually don't have to do this because usually, in my case, what I do is set this role to administrator role. So even if the permissions are set, it bypasses that thing, and permissions for the server settings bypasses all of this, so it doesn't really matter. I just do it just to be on the safe side, so that way I don't run into any bugs later. So we're gonna have this, move members, boom, and then for this part, unless you have a bot that auto signs a role, you want to go into this at everyone, which is everyone who joins first that doesn't have a role is going to be able to connect. They're going to be able to see the channels as well, and they won't be able to do anything else until you obviously sign them a role. If you want a tutorial on how to set up a bot that auto assigns a role, let me know down in the comments. Anyways, once this is set up and you have the permissions the way you like it, all you gotta do is hit X, and if you go to here, if it hasn't already, and channel permissions, you see up here it says permissions, so it's obviously syncing whatever is under this category. It's synced with everything else. So for the memes, we obviously, if you're, got an idea of if you don't want people sending messages, you can obviously just be like, okay, they can read, but they can't send. And boom. Just that simple. Instead of going through each channel and doing it one by one, you just did it in a matter of seconds and just having to do a minor alt. This way is more quick and efficient, but obviously if you have a bunch of text channels, I'll show you this one. There's a bunch of text channels. It helps with the process. That was all text channels from the half up. If you're a small server like mine, I just have simple stuff. Obviously, it just makes the time faster. It's not a necessary thing. I just figured it'd be a cool tutorial to show you guys. Easier way. And you can do the same thing in voice channels too. Just all you gotta do is boom and do the same thing over again, and set the things that you want it, and then bam, 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 click whatever you want this role to have permissions wise, and then you're set for anything. So like now when you add a role, test, we'll just call it that. We'll create it. Now when you add a role, or not a role, a new channel, you click on it, it's gonna have those permissions already synced, so you don't even have to adjust it unless you make changes to that channel, which is cool. So if you guys have any questions or have any issue, imagine you guys won't, but in case you are, just leave them down in the comments. If you guys want more of this kind of stuff, hit the like button, of course. And if you have anything that you want me to show or do a tutorial on Discord, let me know down in the comment section, of course, and I'll see you guys next week. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. To catch my latest videos, click on these two links right here. Tutorial and gameplay above.